Hello guys, I made a new tool, new eye color prediction tool that is out on my itch.io. I've made tools like this previously, but this one is going to be free. In case this is the first video you see on my channel, I'm just going to sort of introduce myself to you. I'm a computer engineering student, computer science student studying computer science, but my interest is not really in like cybersecurity or any of that stupid stuff. My interest is in genetics. So I apply my computer science knowledge to various genetics problems, such as research, gathering data, or making tools such as this with the data that I've gathered. Right, so this is one of my tools that you can find on my itch.io. On my GitHub, I have a couple tools as well, but you probably will not be as interested in them as you will be in these, because who cares about my Gorilla Mix, right? Who cares about that? It's only the only software that allows you to make your own ethnicity calculus, but who cares about it, right? We only want the eye color tools. But okay, I'm going to give you the eye color tools. So data for the study, just as the data for the previous study, is also from OpenSNP. It's a different pool of people. This time there's actually more people and different variants analyzed. Mostly AKETv2 and SLC2484 were the variants that I analyzed for this study. This study is more focused on telling apart green versus blue with the amber center eye colors. And that's why I sort of really focused on SLC2484 and AKETv2, which are the most important regions for determining blue eyes with amber center versus green eyes, right? So this is why I targeted those regions. Now, data availability, the spreadsheets containing data for both research projects will be in the link of this video. The first research project was done in April of this year. And let me show you what the data sort of looks like. This is going to be, so you'll be able to access this, right? It's going to be in the description of the video. This is basically 28 different variations and almost 600 different people. So about 600 different people and 28 different variations. This is what the data looks like. And this prediction right here, this software is based on this data. It's based on this research. I didn't just pull it out my ass and make some sort of software. I base it on data. So will I use this in my videos, in my future videos about the genetics of various ancient folks? No, I will not be using this in my videos. It would take way too long for the results to load, and my Nasha code already covers all the important variants. This is just a fun little addition to determine specifically blue eyes with amber center versus green eyes. So let me show you how to run it, right? You need to have your raw data file in the same folder as the executable. So this would be the executable. AKETv2, it's exe, so that's in the executable. And my file would be this one. So what we do is we copy the file name. Do it this way, but you can type it out by yourself. And then here it's, when you open the executable, it asks you to enter the file name. So we enter the file name. For me, it's just to paste .csv with the file format. So if you took a 23andMe file, that would be .text, or Ancestry file, it would also be a .text. But with my heritage files, it is .csv. Let's enter that in. We just press enter to enter the information in. And we're going to wait for the application to do its thing. So you're going to see what sort of my eye color prediction with my own tool looks like. And you're also going to see, I'm going to show you my little sister and my little brother too. We're going to wait a little bit. Oh, yep, it's done. Yep, it's done. So this is what my eye color prediction looks like. This is all of the variations that were used to determine this. It's a big list, right? It's a huge list. It's bigger than the previous list. It's actually, what is it, like, that's 5. That's 10. That's 15. That's 20. That's 25. That's 30. That's 35. That's 40. That's 41. 41 different variations that were used to determine eye color, compared to, I don't know, HRSplex, where they only use like 6. Yeah, big difference. So for me, it's predicting me to have blue eyes with the amber center, not green eyes, but blue eyes with the amber center. Now let me show you my little half-sister, Katya .csv, also a MyHeritage file. You're gonna see what it looks like. You're gonna see what to expect with my file, with my app. Yeah, it's gonna load a little bit. Now, the app is free. You don't have to pay me to use it, but you do sort of have to pay me. No, we'll get into that later. So with Kate, she's predicted to have blue eyes. As you can see, 32% likelihood of blue eyes, followed by green actually, and only at third place come blue eyes with Amber Center. So she definitely does not have blue eyes with Amber Center. This is her eye color prediction. And now let's see my little half brother, Max DNA.csv. Let's take a look at him. So I was talking about how it's not really free. It's not really free in the sense that you don't owe me money, but you do owe me a subscription to this channel, and you do owe me a like on this video. So that's something you gotta. That's your payment for being able to use this tool. I don't expect much more. So when it comes to eye color for Max, he's predicted to have blue eyes also, followed by green eyes, followed by blue eyes with Amber Center at number 3. Also definitely very light color eyes. So this is kind of what it looks like. Thanks for watching my video. Check out my tool and leave your comments, leave your opinions in the comments.